Alright, mathematicians, how we doing? Mr. Carter right here, ready to do Homelink 410. Go ahead and put your name on this if you haven't yet. And let's begin. Alright, so today's homework is all about extended multiplication facts. So they're wanting you to solve these mentally. So you're going to start here with your basic fact of 6 times 7. That's 42. Then all of these have that basic fact in them. So 6 times 70. So you put your basic fact of 42, then you add your 0 here for the 70, 420. You get 42 again as your basic fact. You add your 0 for your 60. Again, that's 420. Again, you got 42 for your basic fact. This time you have a 0 in the 60 and a 0 in the 70, so you add 2 zeros there for 4,200. Go ahead and put that comma in there. Again, 42 for your basic fact. You add 2 zeros here for your 600, again for 4,200. Your basic fact again is 42, and then you have 1 0 here, 2 and 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, and your comma belongs here after the 2 for 42,000. So I want you to go ahead and do 2, 3, and 4 on your own. See how you do with those. Again, you just start out with your basic fact and then keep an eye out for those zeros. Okay. 5. These problems are a little bit different, so let me zoom in here. So it's asking you 54 is how many times as many as 9? Well, we know that. So you got to ask yourself, all right, so 6 times 9, or what times 9 will get you 54, and I gave you the answer there of 6, because we know that 6 times as many as 9 would be 54. So again, we're going to be dealing with that basic fact of 6 times 9 is 54 for the rest of these problems. But let's work these through. So when you have 540 is how many times as many as 90, what you can do here is when you have zeros, such as in the 540 and in the 90, you can cancel those out. Because zeros can cancel each other out. Because every 0 you're just multiplying by 10. So basically, if you take away the 0, you're just dividing by the same number, and that's okay to cancel out those zeros. So 54 is how many times as many as 9? Well, that's the same as up here. It is 6. So now what we have here is 5,400 is how many times as many as 90? Well, you can cancel out 1 0 in each, so that leaves you with that 9 over here, and you can only cancel out 1 0 because you only canceled out 1 0 here. So you still have a 0 left here, which makes it 540. So you're asking yourself, what times 9 gives you 540? Well, we know our basic fact would be 6. But 6 times 9 is only 54. So this answer has to be 60, because 60 times 9 will be 540. Okay, now here, 540 is 60 times as many as what? So again, with zeros you can cancel them out. So you have 1 0 and 1 0 here. So 54 is 6 times as many as 9. Because we know that 9 times 6 is 54. So now here we have 5,400 is 6 times as many as what? Well, you don't have any zeros here to cancel out. So again, you're going to ask yourself, what times 6 will get you that basic fact of 54, which we know is 9. But since we have 2 zeros here, it's going to be 6 times 900, because that's what will get you 5,400. Same thing here. You don't have any zeros to cancel out with the 6, it's just 6. So you have to ask yourself, 6 times what will get you 54,000? So we know that the basic fact is 9, and then if you have 3 zeros here, you need to put 3 zeros there, which would make it 9,000. All right. Our practice for today down here is addition and subtraction. I'm going to do 6 and 7 for you, and then I'll have you do 8 and 9 on your own. Alright, so 6 was 6,419 plus 7,809. So 9 plus 9 is 18. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, and 7 plus 7 is 14. And our answer is 14,228. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't have the number down here, so you could see kind of 9 plus 9 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Equals 14. I apologize for that. Alright, 7 is 8,045. Take away 5,906. 5, take away 6, you're not able to do that, so you got to trade over from the tens. Take that 4, make it a 3, and add 10 ones to the 5 that we already have. That makes it 15. 15 take away 6 is 9. 3 take away 0 is 3. 0 take away 9, we are not able to do that, so we're going to trade from our thousands. That's 7, and go ahead and add 10 hundreds here to the 0 that you already have to make it 10. 10 take away 9 is 1. 7 take away 5 is 2. So our answer here is 2,139. So I'll go ahead and transfer my answers over to the sheet. So 6, our answer was 14,228. 7 was 2,139. Okay, I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to come see me. Have a good day.